YouTube. I look so tired. So this morning I thought that I would do a little bit of vlogging, and look at this one. And y'all, he got his pants on inside out. Look. Caden, hey, so you can't make strawberry milk with lemonade. Yeah, it's not, that's not the right one. Yeah, okay, so y'all, my refrigerator is horrible. Look at this. Isn't that horrible? Okay, where's the milk? I thought you was gonna do milk. Where's the milk? Nah, you can't pull that from back there, sir. Where's, yeah, the almond milk? Where is it? Do you see almond milk? No. I know you tried to move it, but I see almond milk. Do you see almond milk? Show me almond milk. Not that one. That one? Nope, not that one. That one. Well, show me. Right. Good job. Yep, get it. All right, close the door. All right. All right, let's go. Look, so he poured his own, what is this? Powder, strawberry powder. Go ahead. Uh-oh. Okay. Be careful. You gonna get up there? Okay. Look, I want to grab it. I want to hold it. Okay. Be careful. Go ahead. Yay! You did a good job. You gotta pour a lot of milk. You got all that powder. You better pour you some more milk. Look at this thing. Okay. Well, come on.
Let's go.
Yeah. Be careful. Ooh, you did so good. Keep going. You gotta get more. You got a whole bunch of. Uh-oh. Don't waste it. All right, go ahead.
That's enough.
No, you need a lot of milk. You poured all this powder. Pour. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, okay. Look. It's all right. Keep going. No. I know, but we'll clean it up when we're done. So keep pouring. Go. All right, good job. Josiah, good job. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now you're going to get a paper towel and clean it up?
Yeah, I know. That's pretty easy.
Yes. All right. How many you think you should get? He gonna rip it in half. Wait. Okay, wait. We can't rub it. Just put it on there and let it soak it up. Yeah, let's move that. Okay, now do like this. Do like this and grab it up. Grab it up. Good job. Get the rest of it. Oh, okay. All right. Good job. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Hey, thank you.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Now, can you go put that in the trash? Go put. You didn't put the top on it. Wait a minute. Hey, what the?
Forgot.
You forgot. Okay.
I forgot.
Okay. Good job. Now you go put that back, and then you gotta come clean this mess up. Okay.
Okay.
I am gonna throw this away. All right. So while he's doing that, this is usually the area where I do some of my filming, And because this table is so old and we don't use it as, well, actually we don't even use it at all, I am going to redo it. So this chair is broken, and y'all, I had this table for like, I don't know, maybe 8-9 years. So this is the last chair that's left. The rest of them, we broke them down and threw them away. This one, I am going to sand it down and I'm going to restain it. So it's literally, we just put stuff over here and just, you know, sit stuff on top of it. But you see all these, and it's not deep, like it's not deep or anything, so it's not a gouge, but I want to sand it down and I want to restain it because I think it's such a pretty table and I really do like the shape of it. So I want to keep it. And what I did was yesterday I ended up going on OfferUp, and let me see if I can open up my blinds. I went on OfferUp yesterday and I ended up buying some chairs in which I am going to use them to sand them down, and I'm going to stain those chairs so that they match this particular table. So see the chairs? Why is it a knife out there? I'm telling you, my children do the craziest thing. So yep, I am going to sand these particular chairs down, and I am going to stain them so that they match this table. So all right, in the meantime, in between time, I have to hit it. I'm actually making dinner here. Where is it? Here. Ha! In the crock pot. So we're going to have chicken and rice in my crock pot. And then I need to organize this refrigerator. As you saw, this looks so horrible, but I'm telling you, we got more than enough food. So I did go to the meat store, and I meant to, look at that. Look at my churn. So I did go to the meat store, and I meant to vlog that and show you, but it started raining and it was really late. So today I am going to clean this out and organize all of this. And I also I'm making dinner, and then Yaya's hair has to be done. So all right, so this is my crusty and dusty refrigerator. Y'all see all that at the bottom. And y'all, I'm sure I'm not the only one who kids just throw stuff in the refrigerator. So I'm going to take all of the little bins or containers from the door, and we're going to make sure that we wash every nook and cranny. I do like bleach, so I will be bleaching down everything I can pretty much see. I like to take everything out, and I'm going to be putting it on the table in the kitchen just to give me some space so that I can see what needs to be thrown away and what we need to keep. My children are really, really funny. So they go and they take stuff out of the refrigerator, and then I will organize my refrigerator the way that I like it, and somehow it never, ever gets back to the way that I had it unless I literally go and do what I'm doing now. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that maybe it gives you a little bit of motivation if your refrigerator is looking busted and disgusted like mine. This is one of the chores that I do not like. I literally hate cleaning out the refrigerator. I probably would clean just about anything else, but refrigerator, I don't like it. Y'all see me stumbling and dropping stuff all over the place. So my freezer will not be cleaned in this video because I literally just stuffed it with meat. And from the previous clip, I'm sure that if you noticed, it was literally stuffed. I mean, sometimes I would stuff it so much to the point where I can't close it. I really should think about investing in a deep freezer. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nasty? Oh. Anyways, I should invest in a deep freezer. It'll probably save me a little bit of time trying to stuff all that stuff inside of the freezer. But as you see here, this bin or this drawer, my children like cheese and I like cheese. So this is something that we typically go to for like a quick snack. And so this drawer is usually filled with cheese and lunch meat or just little quick snacks. My children has this thing for spicy. So in a moment, you'll see me removing some Scotch bonnet peppers. Right now, I'm just showing you all the different cheeses that we have in the refrigerator. So this bin, I think I'm going to say that this is probably one of the dirtiest parts of the refrigerator. Only because the kids put things back. As you see, we have empty wrappers and all kind of stuff. So they'll put things back. And then if something spills, because this is a drawer, it typically catches it. So I'm literally going to dismantle this whole entire refrigerator. I'm taking everything out to make sure that I can get back there and get every nook and cranny and get it clean. As you see, I'm spraying it down with my bleach spray. So as I told you, I'm a bleach girl and I do like to use bleach to clean just about everything. In a moment, I'll get my bowl of hot soapy water just so that I don't have to go back and forth. There it is. So that I don't have to go back and forth to the sink. And that way I'll just rinse my washcloth out right in front of the refrigerator and it prevents me from getting up and down and all of that. I really like these clean with me videos. You know, I'm gonna be honest. So if we're gonna be honest, let's do it. I was really afraid to put my refrigerator on YouTube because once you put it up there on YouTube, everybody see it. And I don't, you know, I'm one of those people that I'm very leery about my private life because you don't want people talking about you. You don't want people saying all kind of crazy stuff about you. And if I can avoid it, I will. But I personally like watching these videos, and so I figured I don't think it would hurt for me to do my own clean with me videos. So I hope that there are many more to come. Y'all see all this stuff? Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look all the way back there in that crack. Like, you know, I'm telling you, if I guarantee that there's plenty other moms out there that feel the same way I do. If you did not have kids, you probably would not even need to wipe your refrigerator out. All of this is people just throwing stuff in the refrigerator. Nobody cares. They don't pay attention. And then I got to get on my hands and knees and scrub it because if I left it up to them to do it, I would come back and the only thing I would be doing is fussing because somebody is not going to do it right. So, but it's okay though. You know, this is what I signed up for, being a parent. So my job is never done. And I will tell you that I'm grateful that this is the job that I get to do. It's a lot of other people that wish they were in my place, wish that they were on YouTube talking about cleaning out their refrigerators right now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to let some of the music play because I think that right, so now that we have put the refrigerator back together, y'all see her in my video, you know, my children, I'm telling you. So she just gonna stand here the whole time, y'all, with this glass piece, knowing that I'm recording, but nobody cares what mama's doing. So I'm thankful that she is such a great helper and that she literally stood in the kitchen the entire time. And if I needed something, because at one point I was on my knees, if I needed something, she was happy to hand it to me. And she literally put everything back in the refrigerator for me so that I did not have to. And she really tries to organize things the way that I would typically do it. Sometimes she doesn't get it to my liking, but you know, that's not the purpose. The purpose is that she tries, and you know, she takes a liking in helping out around the house. And so that's important. That's extremely important when it comes to raising children, or at least running a household, right? That people help out. So as you see, I think I did a pretty good job. My refrigerator is clean, and we probably should have threw the mushrooms away, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna use them some kind of way, some kind of how. If you hung with me to the end of this video, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also, it is important that you turn on those notifications so that whenever I upload new content, you are alerted. I think this was a fun video, don't you? I got something accomplished, and y'all got to see the inside of my refrigerator. I am going to finish putting all this stuff back in the refrigerator. At some point, it don't even have to, you know, go in there nicely, as long as it get in there, right? So here is the final look. Everything is in there. It is all clean, and look at the bottom. Nothing, y'all. It is all clean. I got every nook and cranny. I am so sorry about the lighting. I apologize. We'll take care of that next time. Have y'all tried this sauce? My children have gone crazy over this Chick-fil-A sauce. It's actually really, really good. So we made our own homemade chicken nuggets, and we used that particular sauce, and it was great. Thanks again for watching.